up YouTube? Welcome to a new YouTube video. Today's a very special episode because I am heading to China now. You may be thinking, why is this guy, this 19-year-old kid going to China, right? Tax season's coming around. I need some business expenses. So that's one reason. It took a lot of time to actually get the China visa and it costs a lot of money. But that is all a tax write-off because it is a business expense. I'm gonna check out the suppliers and the warehouses that I'm currently working with, the private suppliers that I use every single day to fulfill millions of dollars worth of orders. But we are gonna stop in Dubai for a few days just to rest and check out the place. And you guys will be seeing all of that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start this vlog. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're currently on the business class plane. As you can see, our boy Andre. Who are you and what do you do?
My name's Andre. I do the same thing as Andrew, dropshipping, branded dropshipping, mainly in like beauty and cosmetics niche, but open to anything, of course.
Yep, and that's exactly why we're going to China. So before we go to China though, we are going to Dubai, which is really exciting. Look how much leg room we have over here. Check it out. He can't even extend his legs to the full amount. It's pretty insane. I've never been on a plane this big, but should be good fun. Andre, what do you think of the flight so far?
So far, it's been great, but I mean, again, it's completely free for us because when we spend, I don't know, 100,000 in a month on ads, we'll get 400K points. This flight costs us like 99K points each.
Yeah.
We kind of travel hacked it a little bit.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it was super cheap for us, and you know, you just have to have the right information. Like even, you know, with dropshipping, you spend a lot of money on ads, you get a lot of points, and knowing how to leverage travel partners is going to get you. Like we booked through Air Canada, and we're on a completely different airline, but that's why we got it for cheap, you know. So you got to know the tips and tricks.
A few moments later.
Oh shit, what's up?
It's good, bro.
This is a little apartment tour right here. This is where we're gonna be staying for our layover in Dubai. Obviously, we are going to China, but we are gonna stay 3 days inside Dubai. So this is a little crib, right? Over here, we have the women's section. The kitchen area. We're saving the good apartment for the second time we come around. If we come over here, we have the beautiful bathroom. I don't know how Dubai does it, but everything's pretty high quality. Andre's shitty room over here. You pan over there, not bad, a little blue like accents and shit, but we have the bathroom over here. Pretty good, 2 sinks by the way. The master bedroom, nothing crazy, but it does a trick for 3 days. And also, come over here, go over to the balcony now. This is where it gets special. This is the main reason why we picked this spot, is because the balcony, you can see the whole palm, all the houses down there, and also like the beautiful view. The sun's over there, fucking water, beach, except there's construction down there, which is not great, but it'll be gone by the night, you know what I mean? So we have an actual corner unit, which is really special. So we have the whole Dubai view over here. Should be mainly a China trip, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next segment. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day 2 of Dubai. I just woke up and Andre's still sleeping, so to be a little bit quiet, but look at the view that I just woke up to. This is exactly what dropshipping gives you. All this time freedom for you to go travel and experience all these things. So hopefully, if it focuses, look at this view. This is the palm right here, and it goes over to the ocean. We go over here, we have a corner unit, and now we have the sunrise. Now, I'm not too sure if it focuses well, but that's a beautiful sunrise. And look at that skyline right there. It's absolutely insane. We got an amazing unit. And yeah, Dubai's absolutely beautiful. The weather's extremely nice, and I can't wait to explore the city more. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're currently at the Dubai Mall. This is the whip we got. It's a C300. Nothing crazy for the first time in Dubai. We're gonna get a simple car. We're only here for 2 days, right? It has orange guts. If you open the door and check it out, pretty nice. Can't complain. So we're currently in Dubai Mall. We're gonna check it out. I'm not gonna bring the camera in because that's a little weird. Apparently in Dubai, filming is kind of like on the gray zone.
the next day.
Welcome to China. We're currently at the hotel that one of our suppliers booked us. Not bad, if I can say myself. We have a little, twin bed action. Andre right there. We had a little bit of a rowdy night. Nothing crazy for like the couple of days in Hong Kong, but you gotta remember this is for completely free, so neither of us are complaining. What I love about Hong Kong is that you see all these streets. It gives me a big like New York vibe to it. Everything's super compact and everything.
Everyone's very kind, everyone's very generous. That's like the culture out here. But yeah, that's what I like the most so far. The city kind of reminds me of like Argentina in a little bit, or like New York, but I mean, yeah, it's cool during the day. At night, it's a little dark. It's a little spooky when you're, across the globe for the first time. You're carrying, jewelry. You got bags, cameras. But to be honest, it's a really safe city. Supposedly, the crime rate's like 5 times lower than Miami or something. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, I mean, so far it's pretty nice out here. So yeah.
The boys are currently heading to the Asia World Expo. This is basically where you could find, this is the first phase where you could find like electronics, red light therapy devices, all that stuff. They're gonna be wholesale prices, so it's gonna be good stuff. You're able to find products that are just starting to run up and haven't really entered the US market. And that's exactly why here. We're currently heading to the train station. As you can see, the boys are out and about. We're currently about 10 minutes out. All right, boys, we made it to the convention. As you can see, this is just for phase 1, which is electronics. See, it says gaming zone, audio products. We're also probably able, no camera? Alright, so it's currently the last day of Hong Kong. The last time I recorded was the first day. Some shit has hit the fan, as you can see by the state of the room. It's not looking pretty. Shit has went down.
Oh, we hit! Let's fucking go, we hit!
Bart is gambling right now. We woke up at 6 p.m. today, so that's not great.
Realistic day in the life of a dropshipper.
Yeah, it's pretty realistic, I can't lie. We might hit the club again. One more bottle of DP.
Sponsored by Ecom Alchemy, bro. Sponsored by Unibet.
Shout out Unibet. Yeah, I mean,
sponsor us.
Yeah, chill.
We come to China to gamble and wake up at 6 p.m.
We haven't done shit all day, bro. Bro, we woke up and the sun was coming down.
Oh shit. No, we went to sleep and the sun was coming up.
Bart's making the money back for the fucking money we spent yesterday.
Bart's putting in the work. He's locked in. Extreme, we get extreme. Here's where we're about to make the big money. Fuck, bro, I was...
Yo, honestly, fuck dropshipping, we're just gonna run this. Yo, so why are you 50K in debt?
Let's not talk about that right now. I'm locked in.
Alright, so basically...
50% already.
Basically, Bart Chad skills too hard. Alright, boys, we made it to China, mainland China. We're officially in Hangzhou right now. In about 20 minutes, we're heading to the first supplier tour. And this hotel that we got booked is pretty insane. I'm gonna take you guys out to the lobby real quick. This thing's literally a sphere. It's literally a sphere. I can't believe it. Shout out to the supplier that booked it for us. Extremely grateful for that. But yeah, this is our whole apartment. Starting off with the bathroom, right? So we go through here, and we have the common little bathroom, the main area, which has my bed, Andre's bed. You already know Andre. And yeah, the view is currently really foggy out, but this view is really fire during the night. But yeah, last night we landed in Hangzhou and actually hanged out with one of the suppliers that we are checking out their warehouse today. And one of them is an alcoholic, so we did end up drinking quite a bit last night, which it is what it is.
Boys, I had to wake these guys up. We have literally 10 minutes. They were still snoozing in bed, bro. I woke up Bart, he was in bed. He was like this. It's like, Bart, get your ass up. He went, bah! Crazy work.
That is crazy work. Alright, boys. I'll see you in the warehouse. Alright, so we just wrapped up day 2 of Hangzhou. Basically, couldn't record much because suppliers didn't want me to, but woke up in the morning, headed straight to the warehouse, checked it all out, had lunch with them, and then we went to another supplier, another buddy of mine, his supplier. We went to his warehouse, checked it all out, found some great products there. We had dinner with them. It was a 3 Michelin star restaurant. The bill is probably like 10K, which is insane. So yeah, I couldn't record much because I'm trying to grow these relations, and you know, they don't really want me recording, right? Because at the end of the day, a lot of these brands inside the factories, you know, are under NDA, right? And they don't want anyone kind of knowing the products that they're running. But we did find a bunch of great products that we can go ahead and run. It's currently around 11 p.m. We just wrapped up. The suppliers all left. We just had a couple of drinks. So tomorrow morning around 6:30 a.m. we're hopping on a train to Yiwu, and we're gonna check out my supplier that I personally fulfill with. I've done around 50K orders with them, so pretty good stuff. We're gonna check out their warehouse and have dinner with them, as well as check out another warehouse. Yeah, unfortunately I can't really record much, but I'm gonna try to get more clips tomorrow where we go ahead and tour some of the warehouses, as well as, you know, kind of doing more segments here and there. But so far so good. It is a whole bunch of traveling, you know what I mean? Always packing this suitcase right down here. So it's a lot of work. And it's a lot of work. It's extremely exhausting, but it's gonna be really worth it at the end of the day. We're finding all these products fairly early. And you know, I am also running custom products, which I got to see today actually. Custom labels, custom ingredients, very good stuff. You know, very excited for that. And yeah, you know, basically we're heading to Yiwu tomorrow, so see you guys then. Boys, as you can see, I'm currently on the train in like the middle of nowhere of China. We're heading on to Yiwu, and we have about 20 minutes left on the train. We can see pretty nice train ride. We're on the business class. There's a bar over there. Throughout this trip, the whole time you guys may be thinking, oh, what will you be doing? You know, you're staying in a couple days in Hong Kong, and then you go to all these places. What exactly do you do? There's no real vacation time. It's mostly just work the whole time. And I am very exhausted from it, but it's gonna be well worth it because Q4 Black Friday is right around the corner, and we're gonna find these products fairly early, and we're gonna be very successful from it. So I'm very excited for that. To tour these warehouses. I'm not able to record much because suppliers, you know, want to keep their brands that are doing fairly decent, you know, under wraps. So I won't be able to show much, but I'll try my best to get some clips here and there. All right, we officially made it to Yiwu. This is the hotel. It's a 5-star Marriott. Very nice. As you can see, has a little bathtub out here. Little bathroom action. There's like the toilet over there. This is pretty sick, I can't lie. Very nice. I have a little corner unit, you know, bed right there, a little CEO desk, and then the amazing view of Yiwu. Now, Yiwu is a pretty small kind of city. Yeah, so Yiwu is pretty known for having fulfillment companies. My company that I actually work with, based in Yiwu, their main warehouse is in Yiwu, and they have a couple warehouses kind of spread out throughout China and even the US. So, and also back there, it's called the Yiwu Market. It's one of the biggest markets in the world for, I believe, like different products. So it's gonna be very exciting. We're going there tomorrow, but for today, we're having 2 warehouse tours, one with my friend's supplier and then one with my supplier. So it should be very, very nice. Gonna find a bunch of products. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're currently heading to Yiwu Market. As you can see, the boys are heading out. We're only 5 minutes from Yiwu Market, so it's a super quick walk. But this is like basically it. As you can see, it's like a big building. But yeah, we're gonna head in there, check it out. Apparently there's a lot of jewelry products, which I'm fine with, but this should be pretty good, so I'll see you guys in there.
Yo. All my L's, they call me the V.
The biggest wholesale center in China is where you find all the winning products. And this is where a bunch of factories and manufacturers come to sell to little kids like us that run Facebook ads. We're trying to find the next big winner before it's even on AliExpress and stuff like that. Imagine you would have found pheromone cologne in the Yiwu market before you found it on PP ads, bro. Imagine how rich you'd be. So we're trying to find that next little golden nugget. We're in the ornaments section right now. We need to go to the beauty, cosmetics, health supplement section. So we gotta find our way around here. But everything's in Chinese. So, as you can hear around as well.
Hi, what's up guys? I'm Bart. I'm from the Netherlands. I do dropshipping as well. We're currently here in the Yiwu Marketplace, trying to be ahead of the curve, trying to find products that aren't on PP ads yet. Yeah, and hopefully we can find some new winners here.
I'm Edward. I'm from London. I'm here too. Trying to find the latest bangers, but this shit is kind of crowded, so we'll see how it goes. Hot as hell as well.
All winning products. I'm just trying to show you guys a couple stores so you guys get an idea. For example, these magnetic eyelashes, those cook. You get these eyelash adhesives. Anything eyelash related usually cooks. We got the nails, clip-on nails. These have been winners for years. Jewelry also works really well.
Alright, your boy's officially leaving Yiwu Market. What do you think of the whole Yiwu Market?
It was all basically like the same types of products, so I guess we got some winners, but we're good for now.
Yeah, it was a lot of what we already saw. But I found like 1 or 2 new products, so we gotta run those.
Bar, what are we gonna get up to? It's currently 9 a.m. and Bar wants to get absolutely
Couple cocktails, couple beers, just to get the blood flowing, you know. Gotta get the brain flowing so we can find winning products, build good stores. Just the necessary shit.
The best work always happens when you're under the influence. So we're gonna go run that and enjoy our time here. Welcome to Shanghai. As you can tell by my voice, had a pretty rowdy night last night with all the suppliers. They love to drink and they gave us 50% alcohol level white wine. Not too pretty, but we ended up back at the hotel. It is a 2-hour drive away from Shanghai to that warehouse, and we got back like literally 8 in the morning. It's currently 3 p.m. and you can tell by my voice that I didn't do too well. So this is kind of like the hotel we're at in Shanghai. It's pretty nice. Front doors right there. We have the bathroom. This one's really special because it has heated seats, flushes on itself. It's pretty sick. Right here is a little bathroom area. I don't know why, but the bathroom and the kind of like room is together. But it's fine for me. Then we have the bed over here. Nothing crazy, a little small, calm hotel, but it does a trick. Look at this view. We are in the center, basically the center of Shanghai. You can see like the needle pin kind of building over there. I'm currently doing some work now. The only problem with traveling so much is that you're so backlogged on all the work that you've been doing. Back when I'm in Miami, I'm working every single day for around 12 hours minimum, and nowadays when I'm traveling, meeting all these people, it's a little bit difficult, but I'm still putting the work in. As you can see, got my little laptop right there. I was just locked in for a little bit, answering a lot of messages and fulfilling orders, do all this, making ads, making websites, doing everything. This business trip isn't just a vacation. I still run a business on a daily basis, so I need to continue and put in the work in on a daily basis. And as you can see, currently doing that right now. So I'm gonna get back to it, and I'll see you guys later on the tripod.
We're cooking we're actually gonna have to scale throughout the night. I'm not even trolling.
Yep.
Like, you think this is a game?
And Jarvin will fulfill our orders.
Yeah. We have a camera.
Yes.
For YouTube. You think we could film in the warehouse?
Okay. Yes. You can. But the most important thing, you can't to take pictures for our products because it is private.
But the meeting with T, maybe.
Okay.
Look, we're already 15 orders. This is day one.
Day one.
Day one. We're gonna scale this a lot.
Wow.
We're already so.
We'll end the day at like 10K. End the day at 10K.
And then we get a quote with you.
So I think in some days you can be the one who has daily over 100K.
100K?
Yes, 100K per day.
No problem.
You can do it.
No problem.
You can do it.
No problem.
No problem. 100K.
Okay.
Yes.
But yeah, this is not typical in the US. We don't have lots of markets like these.
Came across